Look who we have with us today. It's Poppy. And look at this gumball slide she made. Well, look what I can do. Watch me. Woo-hoo-hoo. Whoops. Sorry, Poppy, that was just too much fun. Oh, Skye, look what you did. What am I supposed to do now? My gumball slide's gone. We're gonna have to figure out something else, Poppy. We're gonna have to try to rebuild it. So look, you already have 2 gumballs right here. Just keep them coming, Poppy. Look at all these gumballs we can put down the slide. Come on, Skye, come help. Okay, I'm here to help. Here, I'll pull on her arm and get more gumballs. Gumball slide. Ooh, I smell gumballs. You did smell gumballs, Chase. We're just putting together Poppy's slide because Skye just went and slid down and just destroyed the whole thing. So we're putting them all back in. Ooh, look, these ones are blue like me. They are blue like you, Chase. All right, we have the bottom filled up with all these big ones. Now we have to use your small ones, Poppy. Oh yeah, let's fill the rest up with Poppy's gumballs. Look, there's 2 pink ones. This one is pink. And look, this one's yellow. There's another pink one. Let's keep going. Here's red. And purple. Here's a green one. Look at all these different colors we get. Oh my goodness. Poppy, how many gumballs do you have in your hair? You can see them up there in her hair. Oh my goodness. How many gumballs are gonna come out of Poppy? Oh, here comes some more. Oh, Poppy! Oh, Poppy, where are they coming from? There's too many. They aren't even all landing in the slide. Poppy, you never run out of tricks. Skye, look at all those gumballs. Don't go too crazy. Gumballs, gumballs, gumball slide. Oh my goodness. Oh. Oh my goodness, I can't help it. I can't. I have to slide down. Chase, I have to do it. Oh my goodness, Skye. Look at this mess you made. There's gumballs everywhere. Look at Chase. He fell over. You okay, Chase? Ruff. I'm okay. I can't stand in all these gumballs. Whoa! Oh man. Skye, look at what you've done. Isn't it awesome? Oh, that was the best gumball slide ever. Let's do it again. I don't know, Skye. That was a lot of gumballs. I don't even know. Look at all these. I mean, look at Poppy. She's like empty. She's like out of gumballs. And look at our slide. What are we supposed to do now? Fill it up with more gumballs. Come on. I don't know, Skye. Do you guys think we should fill it up with gumballs again for Skye to just slide down? I mean, look at all these gumballs. I guess what else are you supposed to do with gumballs? You can't eat them. I mean, they're too pretty. All right, Skye, how does that look? Oh yeah, Skye, watch this! Woo! Ha! I beat Skye to it, hee hee hee. No, Chase, I was supposed to slide down the gumball slide. No! Oh my goodness, you two, look what you did to Poppy's slide. What are we gonna do with you? Tee-hee. Oh my goodness. All right, well here you go. Wah! Oh. Well, that was fun playing with gumballs with Poppy, Chase, and Skye. Say bye.
Bye-bye.